Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to set clock in 2015 Subaru Forester. Start by turning the ignition to accessory or on so the audio screen lights up. Press and hold the clock button briefly until the hour digits blink. Use the tune knob or seek buttons to advance hours and press clock to switch to minutes, then set minutes and press clock again to save changes. Adjusting the clock uses simple radio controls and only a few steps. With the display active, press and hold the clock button until the hour blinks, then use the tune knob or seek arrows to set the correct hour. Press the clock button again to move to minutes, adjust those with the same controls, and press clock one final time to save. The process is quick and requires no tools or dealer visit. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more quick car tips. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car, so snag a little tree's black ice for a fresh, bold scent in your Forester and enjoy a nicer driving vibe. I mention it because it makes fiddling with settings more pleasant. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. If your Forester has a setup menu, you can adjust date and 12/24-hour format alongside the clock. Enter the setup or settings menu using the audio controls, find time and date options, and select the desired format or date values. Use the tune knob or arrow keys to change digits and confirm each entry by pressing the clock or save option. This keeps your display accurate for navigation and logs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.